if you work in sales and you are not asking this question often, and by often I mean every single day with every single prospect you're working with multiple times, ask this and you'll make a lot more money. You know, when you say blank, fill in the blank, can you give me a specific example? When you say you don't want to move to that particular area, can you give me a specific example? When you say you're unhappy with the returns of the wealth management people that you're working with right now, can you give me a specific example? What this is going to do is exactly that. Cause them to give you a specific example. All the gold is below the surface, right? You're only seeing the tip of the iceberg when they say, hey, we're not happy with the contract we have with our current provider. Oh, our contracts are great. They're awesome. They're month to month, right? You missed everything. We're not happy with the contract we have with our current provider. When you say you're not happy, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, we're unable to put people on because we have to commit to larger groups of people, and our company has been in flux ever since the merger. We've been going from 150 seats down to 50 and then up to 300 and then back down to 40. It's a real nightmare. When you say nightmare, can you give me a specific example? Yeah, some of the people are on the system, some of the people are not on the system, and when we don't have congruency, nobody uses the system. How much is that costing you not having them use the system? Look at how much gold I'm uncovering. But I could have been, hey, we're not happy with our current provider. Oh, tell me about it. They're the worst. Our contracts are fantastic. You get nowhere. When you say blank, can you give me a specific example? You need to be asking that early. You need to be asking that often. And you need to be asking that in every single conversation that you have. People love to talk. You have to give them the opportunity to do so.